Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant and owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Service. Okay, so the mansion is completed. I'll start from the top, work my way down. Okay, so this is the top floor. Here's the bathroom. And then there were some bathrooms where the tub or the sink was clogged. Through this little cubby. And now, second floor. Bathroom here. Sink's clogged in this bathroom. Did pretty good. We did this house in 3 days. Here's the bathroom with the funny little tub. This tub and this sink is clogged. But the walls and stuff is nice and clean. Yeah, we did pretty dang good. I got one area that I'm going to mop on the way out so that they don't track it. I got one bathroom down here. It's a little half bath. The floor looked really dirty in the camera, but it don't look like that in person. This floor here. Get the little entryway. It's here. Okay, we even did patio. It's cold out here. This fireplace came out so gorgeous. Alright, and then this little room here. I'm gonna mop myself out of here. Alright, y'all. Project completed. See you guys later.